Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. How y'all doing? I have another unboxing for you, and I'm kind of excited, extra excited about this one. So this is from a company called NewCraftDay. This company sells things like cross stitch, diamond painting, all crafting things, supplies, and kits. So they reached out and told me to pick something, and I did, and I'm excited to show you. It's really cute. So this is the box it sent me. There's not really, it doesn't give much away on the outside of the box. And this is the inside of the box. I haven't really seen what's in here yet. I promise I didn't open it ahead of time. So this is a diamond painting clock. Look how cute this is. So it's nice thick plastic. Look how cute. I got the coffee one. I have this little station in my kitchen where my Keurig is, and like there's a shelf with all my K-cups and my creamer, and so I thought this one was super cute. So it is this partial special drill here. It looks like we have a drill around the numbers. It is a nice thick plastic. The sticky is covered with this little plastic piece here. So that's cute. Here is the drills. We can open those up in a second. And here is the clock guts. The guts, the heart and soul, the innards of the clock. Looks like we need to get a battery. AA battery. Need to get one of those. And like get wines and stuff. I'm sure there's a super easy way to put this together. And then we have the stand. Yeah, I think. Let's see. Yep, that's totally the stand. So you do the diamond painting. Oh, that came off. Oh, that's just to open up the bottom of the stand. You can do the diamond painting outside of the stand and then put it on the stand. Oh, look at the little fixins. Okay. So those are the parts that we have with this. And I may go ahead and just do a little time lapse of me doing this clock because there's not a ton to do, just like outlines and stuff. So we have our tool kit, the pink pen, and this doodad. Oh, it's a clock hand. It looks a little bent, but I'm sure it'll straighten back out there. It'll be fine. It's totally fine. See, totally fine. So we have one hand. This is the second hand, and this is another doodad of sorts. And another. Here's some weird doodads. Okay, you got like a gear, a nut. I don't know what that's called. And this thing. I'm assuming it's how you put the clocks on. Oh, and there's like a washer part in here too. I missed that in the bag. We have our wax here. Ooh, and the cute clock hands. Now I don't see. There's no instructions on how to assemble the clock. So I'm gonna have to use my big brain power to figure it out. It can't be too hard, right? I do know where the batteries are, so I have that part good to go. They're in there somewhere. Unless the kids took them. Aren't kids terrible with like stealing all your batteries? Okay, let's take a look at the drills here real quick, and then we'll try to go ahead and do up this puppy. Yeah. So we have some heart-shaped drills here. That's pretty neat. I'm just going to show you the back of the bag. We have that special shape. Ooh, pearly pearls, gold crystals, and some black drills. Some more like gray crystal types. Oh, even more like a lighter color, like a brown, copperish color. Ooh, prettier, brighter copperish color. Ooh, dark brown, look at that. Oh, these are pretty. These are like the little tiny pearls. That's gonna be cute. Oh, and then this random bag here. I have more of the darker drills, it looks like. Yeah, C442. C442. Oh, it looks like there was a misprint and they're like, nope, C442. Okay. So yeah, this tells you where you're going to put the drills on here. So the C442. C44 is referring to this kit itself. So the symbol, the number 2, is where you're going to find, you know, the symbols on the kit. So where's number 2 in this? We're going to find it right here. Okay, so it looks like it's the, you can tell here, little outside of the clock face. You just match up these numbers with the numbers on the kit. Easy peasy, right? Not nearly as complicated as it's going to be to figure out how to attach those hands there. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into this because I think it's so cute. Like, I really do think it's cute. So the company, again, is NewCraftDay. I'm going to have their information in the description below. I'm not an affiliate or anything, so I don't have like a discount code or anything extra, but I'll put all their information in the description below. So yeah, check them out. Super cute stuff, little kits like this, you know, things other than big old diamond painting canvases. So it's definitely worth a check out, and everything's super affordable too, so absolutely. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this. I'm excited! Oh yeah, and if you're brand new, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, right? And hit the thumbs up on your way out. Ta-ta for now. Bye everyone.